Hey y'all.
Hey guys.
And welcome back to the Luxuriant Curls channel. I'm Miss D.
And I'm Felicity.
And if you are new to our channel, welcome. Don't forget to click that subscribe button because we are bringing new content on our channel.
And if you've already subscribed, please be sure to click the push notifications so you know when our new videos come in. And also like this video when you're done watching it, because we're cool.
Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and get started to today's video. Today we are going to be reviewing our third black-owned product,
Curlmix.
Curlmix. Yes. Okay. It says here on the box, we're gonna look at the box. It comes in this nice little
blue box
that
it's
says
nice and pretty.
Curlmix on it, really big. Okay.
Got like little squigglies and stuff.
It's got little squigglies and stuff, little decoration. Of course, that's the shipping tag on the back side there. Yeah. And then over here it says, tag us.
Share your unboxing.
Share your unboxing. So we would definitely tag them on Instagram so that, hey, we can get out there on that too. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and open the baby up here. It is taped, but we've already,
we just cut the tape. We didn't peek or anything. We weren't cheating.
No, we haven't seen it. So y'all will see that we haven't even touched it.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Okay, let me try to lift this up. Help me out, Felicity. Okay. All right, so what's it say? Oh, it says follow us, and then they have the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and then Pinterest, and then get 10% off. I guess if you follow them, I'm assuming is what that means. No minimums, no expiration date. So that's good to know the next time if we want to purchase this next time. Nice. That we get 10% off, because definitely that would be very useful because it is not cheap. Okay. And then they have this nice little, what is this, a pamphlet?
Yeah.
It looks like a pamphlet of some sort, and then of course they have, different colored women on there. Different colored women on there, just so you can see, for different hair textures. So we're just gonna take a look and see if we see any resembling ours, and this one's closer. That's what I was gonna say. This one's closer. So that's a good thing, because when you look at something, you want to see, do I see at least somebody that's kind of look like where we feel like it's going to be? Yeah. And we feel like that she's a lot closer to kind of what we might see our hair looking like, because all the other ones got curling. And I just, I ain't believing it. All right, I don't think it's going to happen, but we're going to see. All right, so inside, it gives you directions.
The first step is cleansing. The second step is conditioning. Third step is moisturizing. Fourth, styling. Fifth, drying. And then your nighttime routine.
Oh, okay.
Seems pretty self-explanatory.
Which is what we would do on a regular wash day anyway. So and what is this?
Came with a cute little bag.
Oh, ain't that cute? Oh, I'm sorry. This is a cute little bag. Look at that. It's got a cute little bag with that. Oh, we be carrying that somewhere. I don't know where would we carrying that. Because right now we can't use a recyclable bag.
Okay, so inside the box here, hopefully we don't drop the stuff.
No, we don't drop it. I'll hold it right here. Okay. And you do the talking.
So there's confetti. And then this one right here is the shampoo, conditioner, moisturizer, and the gel.
Yeah.
So it looks like a good amount of stuff. Good amount for both of us to use.
And then
promising.
It looks promising. And this is, they have different types, and I don't know if it shows what type this is or not. Let me see. Aloe vera. There are different types. I don't know if I don't see what the different types are or what type this is. Does it tell us? Does it tell you the type? I don't know if that's the types on there, but they're different colors. Vanilla berry. Look at me. We'll put it up somewhere. There's different colors. Like there was a purple one, and it seemed like a turquoise one. There's different colors. So the colors that you get determines what type of texture you have is what I'm trying to say. So we have the blue one. I don't know what the blue one is, but online it tells you what blue it is, what the blue one means. But this is for us. And then the other one that it said that we would have been able to use was the purple one. But there was a difference. The purple one was for moisturization, I believe. Now, it's been a while since I took the quiz, but I think the purple one was more for moisturizing, and this one is more for curl definition. So I was like, okay, I'm going to get the curl definition one because, you know, we're not lacking in any type of moisture or anything like that. So I didn't feel like we needed that one. So that's the one we got. All right, guys, this is the Curlmix.
I'm very excited about this because we're not expecting miracles here, but we low key are sort of trying to make sure, just trying to get some sort of definition.
You know,
that'd be nice.
I know some people, you know, I had a little discussion with somebody a while back about curl definition, and I forgot who it was. I don't remember who it was, but as far as just, you know, type 4 girls need to stop being so like, I need a curl, I want a curl, I want a curl, I want a curl. I mean, if our hair doesn't curl, it don't curl. I mean, let's move on with it, with our lives or whatever. But there are some days where I do just want to wash my hair and it gives me whatever curl it's going to give me. And for me to at least try to keep it in my hair for a long period of time instead of me having to wear an afro. Because the afro, like we stated in a previous video, is very tangling to our hair. All right, so this is how this is going to work. We're going to show you all the entire process. We're going to show you the washing process. We're going to show you the conditioning product. Look, I'm about to say deep conditioning because that's what we normally would be doing. Conditioning, moisturizing, and then the gel. All right, so I hope that you enjoy this video. Make sure that you like the video. Along the way, we will be putting down instructions as far as what we're doing so you won't get lost.
Yeah.
You know, if you want to do it. And let's get started. Woo! Yeah! Girl! so this is the next day.
Yes, we have awoken from our slumber and we had our satin bonnets on, or silk bonnets, whatever you want to call it.
Yes.
And this is what it looks like.
Yeah, so I don't know if we put too much product on our hair, but it is very, what do you call it? Stiff.
Yeah. Because of the gel.
Because of the gel. So, I mean, it still has its shape per se. Yeah. It's just that, you know, we're going to have to fix it. Can't just go out like this without at least trying to shape it up or something.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, the definition is, I can see a little bit in my hair after it dried a bit, but yeah.
Mine shrunk up a bit more.
Yeah, hers shrunk up a bit.
Mostly at the back.
Yeah, at the back.
But this part is still.
But it's still kind of stretched out a bit. Yeah. It still has a shape. So what we're going to do today, because, you know, this is just showing y'all how it looked after we woke up the next day, as far as if it still got a curl. I mean, it's still like it looked yesterday. It's just dry.
Yeah.
So today we're going to try to fix it up a bit so that we can go do what we need to do today. So we're just going to spritz our hair with a little bit of water, and then we're going to add the Main Choice growth oil to it, just to kind of like soften it up a bit. Yeah, well, we're going to give that overall, we're going to give it a B. I guess a B. Yeah, we give it a B. I mean, it's not bad. I think overall it works to me. I mean, unless somebody's out there that has hair as thick as ours, because the Curlmix videos I've seen, I haven't seen that many videos where their hair is long and thick. Either it is long and thin, not really, I'm not talking about thin like bad thin, I'm talking about like fine, I should say that. It's long and fine, or short 4C hair. I haven't seen any that with our hair texture where it's long and thick too. So that makes a difference in wash and go, because the whole finger detangling part, that wasn't even happening.
That was not fun.
It wasn't fun. Yeah, that wasn't happening. Yeah. All right, guys. This is the Luxuriant Curls. I'm Miss D.
And I'm Felicity.
And you all have a
awesome hair day.
And we will see you in the next video.